I grew up in cars. My father got me into it. I was always a hands-on kind of person. I could never sit still, so I'd always like to be doing something. Anything that had a motor I would tinker with kind of deal. Basically, when you see a smashed car on the road, well, that comes to me, and then I have to fix that, put it back to how it was before the accident. Well, every day is kind of different. One day I could be doing a front end, the next day I could be changing a quarter panel, rear body panel. There's a lot of things. A lot of teamwork involved. Like doors and stuff, you can't put those on by yourself, especially if something freshly painted. You don't want to risk scratching it, so there's a lot of work involved with other people helping other people helping you. Cars are evolving every year. Every year the car changes. Every paint job is different. There's one car, but there's 15 different models for that one car. So you can't just know that one car, that one model. You have to know all 15 of those models. So you always got to be learning, always pay attention. When I graduated high school, I went to Mohawk College, did my 3 years of apprenticeship through Mohawk, Ontario College of Trades, and now I'm a journeyman. Now I have to go do my license to become a licensed tech. A lot of proving yourself. Some days you think you're not gonna go anywhere, but you got to prove to yourself and you got to prove to your coworkers, employers that you can do it. It might take you a while to get where you want to be, but you will. The thing I love about my job the most is seeing something that's in a million pieces, bent, cracked, and fixing it to roadworthy condition again. Then looking at pictures, say before and after, and you're like, wow, I fixed that.